Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing budget and budgetary control under that chapter, that is cash budget. As you know that cash budget is very much important for your working capital estimation and working capital control. So cash budget is nothing but the projected cash flows, what you are expecting from your receiving sources and what are you are planning to make the payment, so net of your cash balance. So this is the importance for your working capital calculation concept. Now we'll take an example. जैसे one this following informations आपको दिया गया है. You have been given some informations for cost cash budgets for 3 months ending on 31st December. So you have been given the all the figures for June to December, that is for 6 months. Okay, so sales figures you have been given, material figure you have been given, wages figure you have been given, production overhead you have been given, and administration and selling overhead for all the months have been given. Now some informations you have been given for that. What are the, you see, once your sales are there, what are the terms of receipts, collections from debtors, that you have been given some directions. You see, you are allowing the 3 months to debtors. आप क्रेडिट पीरियड डेटर्स को 3 months अलाउ कर रहे हैं आपने. उसमें भी सब कंडीशंस है. 10% ऑफ सेल्स इन कैश ऑन एवरेज, 50% of credit sales are paid on due date, while the other 50% are paid in the month. So that means total cash sales. So you take any of the month sales, 10% of sales means 300 will be for the same month. Rest 2700 it will go to the third month, and another 50% you will be deferred to the subsequent to the month. So that is the mean for that. Credit of materials 2 months, that is directly for 2 months your credit period allowed by your creditors. Lag in payment of wages, your 1 month and half month for overheads. So lag in payment for wages for 1 month means, suppose same month payment due, say wages for the month of September. So same month you are giving 1/4, and same month you are giving 3/4, and 1/4 is carrying forward to the next month. So lag in payment का मतलब है 1/4 is carrying forward to the next month, same month is the 3/4, and half month of overhead means 50% for this month, 50% for next month. And your another point they have given, the cash and bank balance should be your 1500 in the 1st of October. So you are to given, these have been given. Other informations are given that you have a capital expenditure, plant and machinery you are expecting to install for 24,000. You are to give a monthly installment starts from 1st October. So that you are to calculate for that. So in a case this sum will be paid in monthly installment from 1st October. Next, preference share dividend at the rate of 10% per annum on 50,000 to be paid on 1st of December. 5% on 50,000 you can calculate. Call on 250 equity shares at the 2 per shares are expected on 1st of November. So 250 equity shares at the rate of 2 rupees. So money receipt from share money you will be getting for that. Dividend from investment 250 you are expecting on 31st December. Advance income tax to be paid in December. So these are the state way all the respective months we can calculate for that. So from this problem you understand that what are your important issues. The important issues are basically your credit terms you have to identify and OS payment. So this is the more than 1 month involvement is there. These two issues are there. So first we'll calculate your collection from debtors. So collection from debtors you have to calculate. You see how you collection from debtors. Right, you have to prepare a December ending 3 months, That means October, November and December. You have to make it October, November and December. Okay, so you have to October, November, December. Your problem tells you that you have your 3 months, your time period, your that thing 3 months to debtors. So 3 months matlab June, July, August, September and October. So when you have to start for that, see, you have to think that 3 months you are taking for that very carefully. 3 months, right? 3 months if it is there, if you have to start from October, why you have to start from June itself? Because June month there is your 3000 will be there. So out of that 10% means your 300 will be given as cash sales. So 2700. So 2700 your due will be 3 months cash sales means June, July, August, September 1 portions and 50% for October. So you got that. So it is 50% in the due date and 50% in the subsequent month. So your that June month that 3000, it should be September 1 portion, October 50%. So that 2750% means 1350. So 1350 will be your these things. June महीने का पेमेंट, October it will come 1350. Next your July month का जो payment you will be there. How much? You see that here July month का payment is 3250. So similar way 3250 10% 325 we can minus it. 2925. So 2925 means 50% is 1625. 2925 means 1462.50. So your July month payment, July, August, September, your October 1 portions will come and November 1 portions will come, because your July is first due is November, July, August, September, October and November. So this will be there. So July ka October 50%, October it will be 1462.50 and November 1462.50. So that will be there. One 1462.50, 1462.50. So this is the over. Similar way we can calculate for next month also, that is your August. So August your total sales is 3500. 3500 your 350 you minus it 3150. So 50% your 1575. So 1575 your August if it is there, August, September, October. Then November and December it will be due. So November 1575 and December 1575. Right? This will be over. August. Then September, October, November. Then September payment when it is getting due? September, October, November, December. So December if it is get there, so here total payment how much? September ka 3750, 3750, 375 your these things. Then balance your 3375. So 3375 is 15% is 1687.50. So your September payment due will come September, October, November and December. September, October, November, December, 50% will be for December. So September payment will be coming on your this way. August your 3500 3500, September 3750, this will be coming so September payment will come 1687.50. Similarly, October you're coming from October onwards, your due date means respective month it is coming, so 10%. So October your 10% per month 400. November your first month your 425, 10% because credit period payment is not there, and December will be your this 10% 450. So sum total, if you add it all your months, this is 3212.50, and this will be your 3462.50, and your this will be your 3712.50. So these are your these calculations for your collection from debtors. And another point we have to calculate for your this cash budget purpose, that will be your these things: collection from debtors, payment for wages, then we need on 3 months payment, October, November and December. So October we are making 1/4 of September because it is carry forward, and 3/4 of October. So 1/4 of September means 1/4 into 750 equal to 187.50, and 3/4 of October means 3/4 into 800 equal to your 600. So this will be your 787.50. Similar way, your November will calculation you do that 200 for this earlier month and another your 675. So 875, and December it will be your 225 plus 750. So this will be coming your 975. So these are the 3 months payment for that. So this is the thing. Other things are direct way. So we can go for now these calculations for this cash budget. So here this page little bit problem is there. So that's why little problem is coming on. So this problem I think we are expecting to solve this issue for our system development very shortly. You see that cash budget for 3 months ending on December 2022. So here you have to see that balance brought down how much you have to start. As in our problem it has been given no that 1st October is expected 1500. So 3 months we have to start it for October, November and December. So cash balance you have to start with your 1500. You have to start it that thing. Then your payments are there. What are your receipts receipts from debtors, as you have calculated 3212.50 and 3462 62.50, and here your December your 3712.50. So this is the thing. Now you have to make your all payments. First your payments are coming from your material payment. They are telling that your creditors material for 2 months. So 2 months means your October payment. From which month you have to start it for? October payment means your August payment was September, October. Your August due was 2400. So August will be October. Similarly, September will be your this way. November 2250, and October will be your December. That will be your 2350. Right? Similarly, wages, as you have calculated here, this is 787 for October, and this 875 your November, and December your 975. Then other payments your these things overhead. See that overhead, as our calculations part directly it has told for overhead is for half month. So 1 month 50% will go. So there October month your overhead, productions overhead will be your these things overhead. You see that what is your productions overhead? 300. So 350%. So October productions overhead, productions will be 300. 150 152 months, 300, 325. How it is coming? You can calculate that. 320, 175, 750 plus 300. That will be where it will come 325, and another month your 350 it will be come. Similar way, administration and selling overhead, your this will be, how it will come, 187.5, 200 and 212.50. Same way it will become 50% for same month and another 50% for this other month. So this way these calculations will be there. And your this another calculation they are telling that the preference dividend you will be making in the month of December. So October, November nothing will be there. December will be your 2500, 50,000 share into 5%, 2500, and your income tax, advance tax payment, that will be also your 500. So then plant and machinery installment starts from 1st October, 500 for every month, 500 for every month, 500 for every month. So sum total it will be coming for this thing 4175 and 4150 total for your payments, and this will be your 7337.50. So first month you have to see that 150 plus 3212 is 4712.50, right? So this 4712 minus 4175, your balance will be 573.50. This 573, which will be the closing balance, this will be your total receipts A, total payments equal to B, A minus B. So 573 is the closing balance. This will be the November opening balance, 537. Sorry, this is the transportation figure we made it. 537.50. This will total your come your these things 573,3462, and another capital payments we have left it, capital receipts, your working that is share, sale of shares 500. So shares jo money you have receiving, that is the 500. So this will be 4500. So this is 4150 minus is your 350 your balance. So 350 we are to taking in the December. So this total will be coming 4312.50, 4312, and here is your 7337. So you see that here this month your total receipts are less than your total payment, so this will be your negative balance. That is what the 3025 is the closing balance, minus balance it will be there. So this is the point for that. So you can understand that how we are making this cash budget. This is nothing but the projected cash flow and cash payment for your working capital estimates. So under our budget and budgetary control, today we have discussed with one problem your cash budget. In subsequent other videos, we will be making for your flexible budgets and other types of budgets, that is sectional budgets also. We will be discussing one by one. So आज के लिए इतना तक. Can you please do share to my and subscribe to my channel, so that whatever future videos will come, it will be directly to be informed to you. आज के लिए इतना तक. Have a good day.